Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. So there is an elephant in the room.
Say what?
You don't see it? I am the elephant. Not because I gained a lot of weight, but because I made this wig yesterday, well, this morning around 12 o'clock. It took me 2 to 3 hours to finish, and it's like, it's gorgeous. You know, it's beautiful. This is the best wig I have ever made to date. But Jamaica is so hot.
But I forgot about now. I forgot about now. Come look so good.
I post videos 2 times a week, so ensure that you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Yes, and comment, interact with me, and like. Every time when you like my videos and comment, it let YouTube algorithm know that my video is liked by the public, and it will be pushed further up, because let's be real, there's like 100 million videos just like this one, but you interacting and liking, commenting, and subscribe, let YouTube know that I am worth watching. And you know I'm worth watching because I got a bomb diggity personality, right? Ooh, I'm sweating. Ooh. So in today's video, I decided to do, like, I tried following a makeup tutorial because currently we are on a protective style challenge, so my hair is gonna be protected for 3 months. So I'm not going to be troubling it unless I'm doing like a wash day, and I'm showing you how I'm washing my hair. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Get started. Let's do. So she's doing a nude cut crease. So for this I'm going to use my Beauty Glaze in Pursue palette. It's a Jacqueline dupe. It looks like this, and it has most of the colors that she will be using. So yeah, and I don't have a wing liner, so we're gonna just scrap that. But I love how this looks. I love nude cut creases. I do so much. Okay, the first thing she do is uses the black, the warm brown, and then she uses a cool tone brown. Oh, I'm going to prime my eyelids with my LA Girl concealer in the color Natural. This eye is a different shade from this eye. This eye. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush and go into the black in the palette. She stamped it on. She stamped it on first and then she blended it. assuming that she's changing brush, but I'm just gonna clean that brush off in a paper towel and just use the brown. So she used, ooh, the sweat in my back is real. I think she used a warm tone brown and then a cool tone brown. So I'm gonna use the show is Vaseline. She cut her crease with Vaseline. Like, oh my god.
Say what?
I don't have Vaseline, but Vaseline is petroleum jelly, so I'm using Pure Lean petroleum jelly. So, and I'm gonna smooth it on the back of my hand to ensure that it's even on the brush. And I'm just using like a flat brush. And now she used like her wipes. I'm using baby wipes. You guys seen that? That worked. I think she used a P. Louise base because I follow her on YouTube as well. I do not have P. Louise base, so I'm gonna go back in with my LA girl. I know I don't have the wing like what she did, but I think I did a pretty good job, seeing that I didn't have majority of the products that she did. But it's cute, it's nice. Comment orange if you made it this far in the video. I like it, it's cute, it's different, you know. I love nude, and this is a nude, nice wearable nude cut crease. Let me know which other video you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, you know, I post daily there, you know, I interact with you, I'm able to answer your questions, and don't forget to have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.